This is going to be a quick video tutorial to show you how to use your shape tools and some different things you can do with them once you got them going. So we look over here, we see our shape tools. We have set up here rectangle, rounded rectangle, ellipse, and then if you'll notice under this triangle here we have additional shape tools you can use. So let's start with the rectangle here, and let me go ahead and change the color so we can see a little bit better. Okay, if I got my rectangle selected. If I click and drag, I can draw a rectangle. I can make it a square, rectangle, whatever. If I want to constrain it to make a perfect square, I would hold shift click and then you'd have a perfect square. Let me back out of these. And again, the same with the ellipse tool. If I hold shift click, it makes a perfect circle. Now if we look under the if we press on this little bitty white arrow off to the side, we'll get a drop down here and we'll see other things, other shapes. So let's select the crescent tool because I want to show you some different things. So I'm going to shift click, draw me a crescent, and notice up top you get additional things. It just depends on what shape you use or you selected it, what shows up here. But for example, let's look at left curve. We can adjust that. We can adjust the right curve. We can mirror this. We can come over here to our node tool, and you see we have a couple places selected here. We can start moving things around, or we can convert the curves. And again, with our node tool, we can start doing some really crazy things with it, right? So that's convert the curves. So those are some different things you could do with your shape tools. So if this has helped you, how about leaving a like, a thumbs up, subscribe, leave a comment. You have a good day.